So here we are, it is, let me just move Emmeline a little. So this is the Style Arc Lumi dress, half sleeve, V-neck, without the opening at the back, with the extra go day in here to add a little bit of extra swishiness. So it's a nice dress. It's what I would describe as an elevated basic. There isn't a lot to it that I love. I do like the way the pattern is in like 3 pieces. So this front piece here, then this side back wraps around to the side seam here. So the side seam comes in kind of where this twist is, and then the other back piece is a standard kind of from the side seam to the centre back. So it's made in 3 pieces, which makes the pattern pieces all asymmetric. You have to cut it out on a single layer. Just don't love it. It's not my fave. It's not my fave that I've made recently. I think it would be rather nice actually in the top version, which kind of cuts off about here in a point, so it comes to hip level, so that you're getting the drama of the twist. Yeah, maybe I would have loved it more in, I don't know, a leopard print or something a little more inspiring. Although this is one of my favourite colours, I'm just not feeling the love. If you look closely, you can see this neckline is not finished perfectly. It was difficult to handle the way they did the binding on this. I would refer back to the previous sew along, the plate top, to see how I did the binding on that. You'd get a much better finish on this neckline with the binding that you have got. Yeah, I look forward to seeing your versions and seeing kind of how it comes together for you, what fabric choices you make, and how you change it up to make it yours and make it special or different. I think her wheels are locked, but I was trying to dance with her, but she's not very mobile. Some of her wheels are moving, some are not. Okay, so yeah, look forward to seeing your version of the Lumi dress or top in the Love and Stitches Club. You can make it sleeveless, you can make it short sleeve, this is the half sleeve, 3/4 or long sleeve, and V, round or boat neck. There are lots of options. If you do like this as a dress shape, I think it's not a bad shape, it's just I just don't love it. But I'm interested to hearing all your thoughts and seeing all your versions. Ta-ta for now.